Huh? Hello. Does that feel better?
Hear me, boy.
I'm sorry. Oh.
Hi, Clyde.
Huh? Does that feel better?
He's like,
He's not that mad at me. Oh, come on. Oh, hi. Oh, Clyde, you're okay. Oh, what are you doing? I love you. I love you.
Don't touch my shoe, okay?
Yeah, put your hand down to get him to say I love you.
I love you. Sleep, put it back. Quickly. Sleep, stop. Stop, please. I want to go. I love you. Hello. Please.
Hello. Say I love you.
No, please. Quick. Why can't I have to go in there? I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I did open the
Hello. Say I love you. Careful, guys. I don't know how he is.
Come here, Clyde.
Not yet.
Oh.
Come here, Clyde.
He's a different bird since he's been outside. He's loving it.
So good.
Say I love you.
I know, he was over here earlier and he kept taking my hair and like stringing it through his beak. I love you.
I love you.
I love it.
Well, I love it, Clyde.
I love you, Clyde.
What? I think he's pretending to cough. He is so freaked out about that beak being trimmed.
He's still being
He's not used to it. Huh? I love you.
Everybody else is laughing.
I love you. Get him to say I love you.
I love you. No, why not? I love Clyde. Hello. I love him. And I love you. I love you. Love you.
Bye-bye.
I love Clyde.
Bye-bye, Clyde.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
You. Bye-bye, Clyde. I love you.
Now I love you. He's laughing so much today. Bye-bye, Clyde.
No.
Bye-bye, Clyde. Bye-bye, Clyde.
I would.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There's a bag right there. Don't touch my head. Grab it.